So in this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about geographic spatial reference systems, so coordinate systems, and then map projections. And this title slide I like very much. This is called the chordiform map projection, and it's a way of presenting and representing spatial data covering the globe in a way that looks like a heart. So that's a nice one. This is actually a stamp from Venezuela that I found. Some basics. I assume that most of you guys are familiar with the idea of latitude, which is angles measured from the equator, and it goes north or south. And so what we can see here on the right hand side they're called parallels of latitude. The equator's at 0, and then we go up towards the North Pole a little bit, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, and so on. Right? So this is latitude. Goes 0 at the equator, 90 at the poles, north or south. Again, they're parallels, and this should all be pretty straightforward with you guys. Latitude is measured in degrees, minutes, and seconds. So it's a base 60 type system. So 1 degree has 60 minutes, just like time. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 degree has 60 minutes, except this is space. And then 1 degree is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So at the equator, you can say 0 degrees. What you actually mean is 0 degrees, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. Seattle, Washington is at 47 degrees north, 36 minutes, 23 seconds. Okay? 1 degree of latitude, this is just sort of a rule of thumb, is about 111 kilometers. And it doesn't matter where you are. 1 degree of latitude, if you traverse 1 degree of latitude, it will always be approximately 111 kilometers. So again, this is latitude. Longitude, on the other hand, is where you want to figure out where you are relative to, this arcane, abstract ideal because of historic reasons, which runs right through Greenwich, England, and that's called the prime meridian. So longitude is talking about moving east-west, whereas latitude is talking about moving north-south. They are called meridians. Latitude lines are called parallels. Longitude lines are called meridians. They go east-west. Sometimes you can just have the number, and then like what we see in the figure here, 30 degrees west, 15 degrees east, or so on. You can also do something where east by convention is a positive number and west by convention is a negative number. So 45 degrees west could also be known as negative 45 degrees longitude. These guys are not parallel, as you just saw. They're like orange peel slices. They're also degrees, minutes, seconds. 1 degree of longitude at the equator is 111 kilometers, just like 1 degree of latitude is. But 1 degree of longitude at the South Pole, how far is that? I'll let you guys consider that one a little bit. Coordinates in space can use, if you want to find out where you are in the world, you need to know where these two lines cross. So you've got the parallel, and you've got the meridian, and where these two guys come together, that tells you where you are in space, right? That gives you your point location. So coordinates, you need to have both the latitude and the longitude. This is just a graphic showing the same kind of idea. So they're angles measured from the center of the Earth. Okay? So this is latitude, longitude.